In this video, we are going to see that if we want to delete our workflows or bots in N8n, here's how we can easily do it. So as you can see that if I'm in personal, I can see these workflows in overview. I can see all of these workflows, but let's say that I want to get rid of all the unused bots. So what we can do is if we click on this three dots next to any workflow, you don't have the delete option. So instead, what we'll do is archive right now, and then we can delete this. So I have archived all of them, and then we will filter this, and actually let's archive this as well. I just want to get rid of all of them. Click on the filters, click on show archive workflows, and now we can simply get rid of them one by one. So in the archive folder, as you can see, now if we click on these three dots, we can see this delete option next to every single one of them. So let me just delete this one by one. And now if we click on the personal, as you can see, I don't have a single bot right now. So that's how you do it. That's how you can delete all the workflows in N8n. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.